Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish taking this motor out. I'm gonna have to take the back tire off with it in order to, see what the whole deal is. So what I need to do now is I took out this bolt. Let me get a little light here. Let me get this video and thing together. I took out here's a bolt right there. Right there. I took out that bolt. It kind of dropped down, but I need to take off. Once I take off this bolt off this spring shock, this shock here, then that side will be off. Then come around here and I'm gonna take this muffler off first. Then take the bolt for the tire off, and that bolt right there, which is the same on the other side, right there. Bam. And that whole section should come out, motor and all, and then we'll go from there. Let's do it.